Meaning of first family.
First family.
First family.
First family.
First family. First family refers to the immediate family members of a country's head of state, particularly in the United States of America. This includes the president, their spouse, and any children who are still living at home. The term is often used to refer to the most prominent and visible members of the president's family, who may play a role in official state events. Additionally, the first family serves as a symbol of national unity and represents the values and aspirations of the American people.